I got another pop quiz for everybody. What's the one event that happens in fall where people spend big? It's something that can help you pull in 17K in 1 month, and in my honest opinion, it's hands down the best holiday. I'll give you a second to think about it. That's right, everybody. The correct answer is Halloween. I'm not gonna lie, I adore Halloween. For me, spooky season starts somewhere in the middle of summer. If there's one slightly chilly day over the summer, all it takes is one vaguely chilly day, and it's like a flip switches in my brain, and the spooky seasonal spirit takes a hold of me. Anyway, if you're into tapping into seasonal events to get surges of revenue, then it's time to get ghoulish, folks. Today, we're drop shipping for the Halloween season, and make sure you stick around to the end because I've got a couple of bonus insights to help you ride this spooky way all the way through October and beyond. Now, why Halloween, you ask? Well, folks, it's because America goes through a seasonal transformation every Halloween that touches just about anyone and everyone in that transformation. The lights and decorations and costumes and the like, that's all a series of sales opportunities. The whole country becomes a different place entirely. People spend hundreds, sometimes even thousands, decking out their houses, backyards, and even entire living rooms for the month of October. And people like me already start decorating and getting in the mood well beforehand. We're talking giant inflatables, premium costumes, fog machines, themed furniture covers, the whole 9 yards. Alright, so what are some seasonal products that are worth dropshipping? Costumes, of course, are Halloween sellers' bread and butter. Whether you're thinking bigger ticket items or selling more accessible stuff at a faster pace, there's opportunities for any approach. People are willing to spend real money on costumes, whether it be for their kids trick-or-treating or because they want to look next level for the get-together they've been planning. A Spider-Man suit that costs you $40 can easily sell for $80. A deluxe witch or vampire costume with full accessories might go for $120, and people will pay for it. Because whether they want to look amazing for Instagram and TikTok, or just have fun at one of the many Halloween parties that are going to be happening all month long, there's big fun incentives for getting to the spirit of the season, and it lasts for the whole of October. Decorations are where it gets crazy. Giant inflatable pumpkins, 12-foot skeletons, full graveyard sets with tombstones and fog machines, these aren't small purchases. A fog machine that costs you $45 can easily retail for $130. A pumpkin arch that lands at $70 wholesale can move for $180 without any hiccups. These items get snapped up by the homeowners who love going above and beyond. And if the film National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation is any indicator, then wowing the neighborhood with holiday decorating is an American pastime essential as baseball. Let's not forget about themed lighting. String lights in orange and purple, or string lights with jack-o'-lanterns and dancing skeletons and the like, or things like laser lights that project ghosts across the lawn. These are all big sellers because they're easy to set up and they make a big impact in creating that spooky atmosphere. A lot of this stuff you can grab for like $10 or $20 and flip for like $40 or $50. It depends on what we're talking about specifically, of course. But there's no doubt that there's plenty of money to be made here. It takes a lot to cover a whole house, and so all this stuff gets bought up together and in bulk. Party supplies are another category that prints money. We're talking Halloween-themed cups, plates, tablecloths, balloons, and banners. People throw parties for kids, for teens, and for adults, and every single one of them needs themed supplies. It's not unusual for someone to buy $100 worth of disposable decorations in one go, and because they're lightweight and cheap to ship, the profit margins are pretty sweet. Now, here's where it gets really fun. Furniture and backyard makeovers. Upper middle class buyers will drop serious cash to transform their entire patio or living room into a haunted mansion. I'm talking sofa covers with ghost prints or something like that, skeleton chair slip covers, Halloween table runners, even full outdoor lounge sets themed for the season. This is where you can score those $200 to $500 orders that make your month totally go way beyond the norm. Another underrated angle? Pet costumes. People love to dress their dogs and cats up for Halloween. Little pumpkin suits, hot dog costumes, superhero capes for dogs. They're cheap to source and people post them on social media like crazy. A $10 dog costume can flip for $30 and they sell in huge volume. So here's the point. From cheaper, faster moving stuff like makeup kits and pet costumes all the way up to high ticket items like backyard inflatables and themed furniture covers, Halloween is loaded with opportunities across every price point. That's why it's realistic to hit 17K or more in just one October alone. If you get your catalog right, that is. And here's my favorite part. When people shop for Halloween, they rarely buy just one thing. They'll grab costumes, decorations, lights, and party supplies all in one order. That means your average order value can easily hit $150 to $250, sometimes more. Sell 20 orders like that in a week, and you're already pushing $5,000. Keep it up all month and hitting 17K will be a cinch. In terms of figuring out what to sell, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Tools like Google Trends will show you exactly what people are searching for. Look up Halloween inflatables, Halloween pet costumes, or fog machine, and you'll see massive spikes every October. Platforms like Sellvia, though, make it even easier because they do the research for you, and they'll bundle all the best performing products together and offer them to you ready to go with product pages, photo descriptions, and they'll even hook you up with promo packs so that you get products and the perfect ads to sell them with. If you're interested, I'll leave links below in the description to some of Sellvia's top Halloween packs. Alright folks, those are my ideas on drop shipping for Halloween. If you're smart and set everything up now, you're going to have some ghoulishly good profits this October. Smash that like button, subscribe for more, hit the noti bell, and most importantly, stay spooky everybody. Catch y'all later.